is the Sambar. I haven't driven it much. These tires are super done, and if I go too far on them, I'm just afraid they're gonna explode. Being 12-inch tires, they're super hard to find here in the States. I have a set of rims coming in. Those just got released from customs, so they should be here soon. Ordered tires for it off of Tire Rack, so hopefully in the next week and a half or so, I'll be able to slap new wheels and tires on this thing. It lives outside, so the bed's a little bit rusty. Eventually I'm gonna sand this down, spray it with some bed liner. Should be good. Today I'm gonna be working on the battery. This is the negative lead. I have a longer one that I'm gonna put on. The battery needed to be changed. The new batteries here in the States are slightly different, and that means that the leads needed to be changed, and that's a thing. So anyway, I'm going to be changing out the negative lead for one that's slightly longer. I made the unforgivable sin of doing things off camera. Gives a little bit more play and a little bit more slack to keep it from rubbing on the corners. And of course we'll be doing some wipers, because why not? Safety. The nice thing about the wipers is they are super cheap. These are 16-inch blades, J-hook. Just go and grab them from O'Riley